Here I've got OnePlus 7T, and let me show you how to locate IMEI and serial number on the following device. So actually you've got two methods. Let's start with the quicker one. You have to open your phone dialer and then enter a secret code, which is *#, 06#. And that's it. As you can see, you've been just provided with both IMEI numbers assigned to your device, to your OnePlus. Click on OK to go back. And now we will open both IMEI numbers and also serial number through the settings. So at first you have to open the list of all applications, then find and pick the settings. Now scroll down to the very bottom of the list and click on About Phone. And here under Status, you will be able to come along with both IMEI numbers, and a bit lower you can find a serial number assigned to your device. So that would be all. This is how you can locate both IMEI and serial number. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.